Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something special for you. Excel 5 tips and tricks to boost your productivity. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful tips that will revolutionize your Excel game. Don't worry if you are new to Excel, I'll guide you step by step. So let's get started. Our first review will be on the data type. Let's find out the statistic data about those countries. Largest city and GDP. Click on data menu and go to the data types. Then select geography. Let's do the same for the companies Amazon and Google. This time let's select stocks. Now it's time to add the data. Click on icon on the top and select the required field. So you can see the system recognize the data automatically. So let's do the same for the country GDP data as well. Now we've got the data for the United States, let's populate the rest. Nice one, let's go for the stock data and populate it as well. On a stock data we just get the 52 weeks high and the number of employees. We're now finished with data types, let's move to another one. Our next function is slicer filter. Slicer will help us out to filter our data in an easy manner. For this we need to select a table, go to the insert menu and click on the table button. On pop-up window, ensure my table has headers option is selected and click OK to continue. Go back to the insert menu again and click on slicer button. Now let's get required filter data selected. It is now time to show what we've got. Let's try it. Amazing! Nice, very nice. Now we're finished with slicers, let's move to another one. On this one we will be reviewing the quick analysis which will help you to analyze your table quickly and efficiently. Let's select the table and click on icon at the bottom of the table. Now we're in a formatting section, let's review them one by one. As you can see, by selection each button on the tab, it's visualized the table. You can color code it based on the data, and you can also set the icons based on the data, whether it's greater than the certain values or it's top 10%. You can do whatever you want to visualize your data. Next one is the charts tab, and it's helped to generate the charts based on your table data. Well, another one is totals. So here you can find like sum, average, count, total, running values. You can do it horizontally as well as vertically. Try it for yourself. For the purpose of this video, I'll just quickly go through it so you can see how it works. Another one is tables tab, so it's been used for the tables formatting only. And the last one is Spark Lines, tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. And that's it. Let's move to another one. Number 4, Transponse Function. It converts the vertical range to a horizontal range or vice versa. On this case, I'll just take the portion of the table and convert it accordingly so you can see how it works. So guys, let's select the portion of the table which we need, then right click on the empty space and then click paste special select the Transponse and click OK. And that's it. The table is converted successfully. The top summary summarizes the values from the other tabs on the same worksheet. So let's give it a try and see how it works. Let's select the empty cell to add our formula. Add some formula to our cell. Then keep Shift button on your keyboard and select the same cell on other tabs. Press Enter to apply the changes. And finally just drag the data down to copy it over the formula. That's it guys, I hope you liked my video. If so, just hit like and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification on. Thanks for watching.